Okay. So, yeah. So uh, today's what? Today we will start a new chapter, special products and factorization. So everyone, please turn on your camera so that we can start our chapter. Just give me a second. Chapter number, I guess 4. Yes. Special products and factorization. So first of all, we will understand what do you mean by special products. So chapter name is special products and factorization, which is chapter number 4. Okay. Now, guys, everyone, please pay attention. Okay. Hello, Sam. Good morning. Okay. So first of all, we will understand what do you mean by factorization. Factorization. Okay. What is the meaning of factorization? Okay. So factorization, finding the factors. Yes. So in factorization, basically means that what like the number is coming in which table. For example, we'll take some example first. Okay. So, for example, if I will say 6. So, what are the factors of 6? Means 6 is coming in which
One,
table?
one, two,
Yes.
six.
1, 2, 3, and 6.
Six.
These are called as factors. Understood, Ira? Abigail? Joshua? Simeon? Joshua? Okay. So, this is called as factors. Factors means in which table the number is coming. Okay. Basically, factors are always written in the form of multiplication form. For example, like if I will say 24. So 24 like 6 into 4. You can write 24 as 6 into 4. So basically, these are the factors of 24. Okay. For example, if you will write 2xy, what are the factors of 2xy? Like 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y. So these are the factors of 2xy. So always factors should be in multiplication form. Okay. If I will say 24, like if you will say 18 plus 6. So these are not factor. These are not factor. Factor will always should be in the form of multiplication form. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Then we will understand the meaning of multiple. Multiple is basically a table. Now, what is table? Like if I will say write the multiples of 2. So what is the multiples of 2? What is the table of 2?
Eight.
Table of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So like this, it will go on. This is called as multiples of 2. Understood? Factors means in which table it is coming. Multiple means write what is the table of that number. Understood, Ira? No.
Yes.
Understood? Okay. So yeah, everyone write it down. Hello, Sam. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. So you understood this, Sam?
Sir.
Good.
Sir, did you see yesterday's match?
Yes, I saw. It was awesome.
Mhm. Yeah, finally beating us.
Yeah. So we have international cricket player. Is Sam. So he plays a cricket. Not a district, no? Sam, you play district, no?
I had this sir, play under 19. Now I'm playing club level, like under 19 club level.
Okay, okay, okay.
District now is more like it's like more under like when I'm playing under 19, but like I need to be like at least 18 to be to play district.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
my age won't be up to the mark. So there's like a minimum age. Like,
Okay, done. Shall I use this? Yes. Okay. Any problem? Please ask me. If you're not able, if you didn't write the note, then also tell me that, sir. Please give me a second. Okay. I'm very humble guy. Okay, I'll not shout on you. Okay. So now we will understand some properties also. And I want you to understand it and then learn it. Don't do the ratification. First, we will understand it. Okay. So first, we will understand how the terms goes on. So first of all, we will understand what do you mean by term. Term. Okay, we'll do this thing. First, we will understand what is algebraic equation. Then you will get easy. So what do you mean by algebraic equation? So basically, algebraic equation is made up of three things. Okay, algebraic equation is made up of three things. First is constant. Second is variables, and third is the operation. First is constant, and then variable, and then operation. Okay. Now, what do you mean by constant? Okay. Don't write anything. Okay. Plus, first, please listen. Okay. I will give you time to write. Okay. Constant means any numbers which are constant, like 2, 4, 8, 10. So these are the numbers which are constant, means their value will not change. Okay. Even if you will go near to simian, the 10 is 10. Okay. Even if you go near to Australia, it will be 4 and 4. So the number which are basically called as constant, their value will not change. Okay. If you will go to Nepal and if you will say that please give me 10 chocolates, so they will not give you 8 chocolates. They are also 10 is 10. Okay. This is called as constant. Now, the second is variable. So, variable are the numbers, okay, are the alphabets. Okay, all alphabets comes under variable, which doesn't have fixed value. For example, if we are finding one question and x value you got 10, so in the next question the value of x will be different. It won't be same as the previous question. So, all alphabets which doesn't have their own value basically called as variables. So like A,
Sir,
B, C,
sir.
D. Yes,
E, F, G, and
yes. So all these are called as variable. Okay. Then operation like plus, minus, multiplication, and divide. So these are called as operation. Operation like plus, minus, multiply, and divide. So for example, if I will use all these three equation, then I will get the algebraic equation like 2x plus y is equals to 9. So here I have this 2 or 9 as a constant, x and y as variable, and plus is the operation. And if I will write 2x, if I will write 2x, it means that 2 multiply by
into
x.
X.
Okay.
Then 2 plus X.
Yeah, 2 plus x is a different, but if I will write 2x, it means that 2 multiplied by x. So basically, what I'm trying to say, constant, variable, and operation, all these three form together to make algebraic equation. Understood, Abigail? No.
Understood.
Very good. Write it down. Aida, Jashron, understood?
Yeah.
Okay. बात धूल है मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों मेरे को भी हो रहा है यस Done? Shall I erase this?
No, sir, not done.
Okay. Dishon, done? Dishon said Jehovan that I sent some worksheet of the special products and factorization. So tell him to do it and send me in the group.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, pi is a constant.
Pi is a constant.
But
Yeah, it's
the decimal
constant.
point never ends. It keeps on going.
Yeah,
3.1,
it keeps on going.
3, 4,
Yeah, it keeps on going.
6, 5, 7.
Yeah. So the value is constant, like 22 by 7, you can take as an approx value. It's not a real value.
So, sir, terminating decimals are also constant.
Terminating, yeah, all the numbers are constant. Terminating, non-terminating. These are numbers, no? Their value will not change. Okay, 3.14 and dash like 3.14869654242. This is the value of pi. Okay, so it means that the value will not change. Okay, wherever you will go. I know the value of pi.
Up to 100 decimal places.
Not up to 100. It's like unlimited. It won't stop. And I guess right now we know only 16 decimal places. Let me check. Eighteen decimal places. We know the value of pi till 18 decimal places. Okay, I'm erasing this. Can I? Okay. Now we will understand terms. Okay, terms. Okay, now we know India, Pakistan. Okay, so India, Pakistan are the two different countries. So they are divided by borders. Okay, borders divides that this is India country, this is Pakistan country. Or we'll take example of China, India. So China and India, they have specific borders to separate these two countries, India and China. So in the same way, in our maths, there are some plus and minus work as a borders to divide them in terms. Okay, for example, 2x minus 9y plus 5 is equals to 0. So this plus and this minus are basically working as a borders. So how many terms are there basically? So this is one term, this is two term, and this is three terms. So three terms are there. Understood? Yes or no? If I will say 9x plus 2, so how many terms are there? Two terms are there. This is one term and this is two term. Understood? Ira, did you understand better?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Abigail, Jashron? Okay. Now, on the basis of terms, there are three types of terms are there. Okay. On the basis of terms, there are basically three types of terms are there. Okay. First is monomial. Second is,
Binomial.
yes, binomial. Third is
Binomial.
trinomial.
They
And
also have,
now
then you
one
also have
more,
quadrinomial.
yes,
Quadrinomial
polynomial.
and polynomial.
Yeah. So monomial. So from the name itself, the meaning is there. Mono means one. Mial means term. So if it has only one term, then it is called as monomial. For example, 2xy. Only one term is there, or 7y square, or 8x square. So this has only one term. It's called as monomial. Okay, understood? Bi means two. Bi means two. Mial means term. So if it has two terms, then it is called as binomial, like x plus y. Sorry. Like x plus y. So this is one term, this is another term. So x and y, there are two terms. Understood? Or 2x squared minus 9. So this also has two terms, one term and then two terms. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Trinomial,
3
tri
terms.
means three, meal means term. If it has three terms, then it is called as trinomial. So like x squared minus 9y plus 5. Okay, so this has three terms. How many terms are there? Three terms. One, two, and then three. And polynomial is more than three.
More than 5.
No, more than three. Okay.
Quadrinomial is 4 and polynomial is 5 or more.
We'll never consider as quadrinomial. We'll take only polynomial. After three, it's called as polynomial. Okay. So like we can take that also, but we'll never consider that because after three, it's called as polynomial. So one, two, three, four. Four are there. It's called polynomial. Understood? Write it down quickly. This one done writing? Please, your note should be completed because it will help you. And I can ask you anytime that is your notes is complete or not. So please let your notes be completed. Simeon, what's the meaning of SVT of Sizape? What's the meaning?
It's
I
just
can't.
the name of my gang.
Your gang. Okay. Joshua, Sam, did you understand better all these things?
Yes, sir.
Any problems, Joshua, Sam? No? Tila, is this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Abigail is writing.
Yeah, I'm still waiting.
I've made notes of this before in this same book. So should I write it again?
It's gonna be easy for you if you will write it down. It's gonna be revision for you only. Otherwise, if you remember, then it's okay. It's your choice. But if it is not written, then you should write. But if it is written, then it's your choice. If you want to write, you can write it down instead of sitting.
Done, sir.
It's already complete. Like Rebecca ma'am takes your class, na? And if it is already complete, then no need to write. It's your choice. Okay, so I'm erasing this. Now there are also two types of terms are also there. Terms are also two types. First is like terms, and another one
And
is
unlike the terms.
very good. Unlike term. Turn on your camera, everyone. Unlike terms. Okay. So now we will understand what's the meaning of this. Okay. So okay, now listen, guys. Listen. Listen. Okay. Now listen, guys. So what is I'm trying to say? What is a like term? So like terms are the terms which have same variable.
Like
For
X,
example,
2X.
yeah, 2x and 7x. If I will say, so they both have same variable. Only see the variable. Like it has also x, it will also have. Okay. So yeah, it is called as like terms. Okay. But if I will,
Unlike terms would be like
ask,
2A and 3B.
yeah. But if I will ask Ira, give me a second. Sure. If I will ask like 2x square and 3x. So Ira, is it like terms? Only Ira will tell.
No, because it has like 2 on top.
Yeah. So square and this x is totally different. Okay. This is not like terms. Okay. This will also comes under the unlike terms like 2x square and 7x. So this is unlike terms and this is like terms. Okay. So if variable is different, it is called as unlike term. If variable is same, then it is called as like term. Understood, guys? Yes
Yes.
or no? Okay. Now in like terms, we can add. Okay, in like terms, we can add things. Okay, how it will work? So we'll check it out. So like if I will say 2x plus 9x. Okay, so which variable? It's a like terms. So it's like terms. It means that the x variable will come out like this.
X
Okay,
is a common factor. X is a common factor.
and you will write x first, which is variable. It's repeating. Yes, good. Now
Then
2
you add
plus
2 plus 9, which is 11.
11, which will become 11. So it will become 11. Understood, Jasron? No. Ask me if you didn't understand. Pakka, Jasron? Yes. So
Yes.
Jasron will give me one more question answer of this. Jasron, tell me the answer of this. Say only Jasron. Yes, Jasron.
26x.
Very good. 26. If you didn't understand, Jasron, please ask me, okay? Yesterday I asked you for the long division method, then you said, sir, I didn't understand anything. Okay, so please ask me. No problem. No shyness should be there. Okay, you can ask me anytime. Okay. Okay, understood? This one? Yeah. You can subtract also. You can subtract like terms also. Like 9x minus 14x. So how will you subtract it? First write the x. Now 9 minus 14. So 9 minus 14. So normally first subtract it. So 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay. 14 minus 9 is 5. Now 14 is greater and it has minus sign in front of it. So we'll write minus 5.
Okay, so 9.
Understood? Yes? If I will say 8x minus 20x. So same sign or different sign? It's a different sign. We have to subtract it. So I will first write x and I will subtract it like 20 minus 8. I will write 12. And because 20 is greater and the sign in front of 20 is minus, so it will become minus 12. Understood, Ira? Joshua? Tam? Betya, everyone understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Understood this.
Very good. Okay, you can multiply it also. Like terms, you can multiply it also. How? If I will make 2x multiply by 8x. Okay, so how will you multiply it? 2 will multiply with this 8, it becomes 16, and x will multiply with this x, it will become
Square.
10. Yes. Understood? Everyone? You can divide it also. Like 9x, like 9x plus, sorry, 9x
Divided by.
by 5x. Okay, so this and this will cut, so it become 9 by 5. So you can divide it also. Understood, Jashwan? Everyone understood? Please ask me any doubt. No doubt?
But, sir.
Okay. But now the problem in this is unlike terms, you can't add it. Unlike terms, you can't add it. How? Like if I will write 2x square minus 9x. So they are like or unlike? They are
Unlike.
unlike because x square and x is there. So you can't solve it. You have to leave it like this only. Oh, sorry, plus it. Understood? Even you can't subtract unlike terms. You can't. Like for example, 9x minus 7x square. It's unlike or like? It's unlike. So you can't solve them. You have to leave it like this only. You can you can add them. Sorry, multiply them. You can multiply them. How will you multiply them? For example, 2x into 7x square. So 2 will multiply with the 7, it becomes 14. X into x square is x cube, so 14x cube. Understood, Ira? How x into x square will become x multiplied by x square. So 3x will be become x into x, so it become x cube.
Okay.
Okay. You can divide also, like 7x, sorry, like 7x square y divided by 14x square. Okay, so these are the unlike terms because of y. So this x square and this x square will cut. 7 ones are 7 twos are, so it becomes y by 2. So you can solve this. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Now quickly write down. Joshua, Simeon, Betya, everyone understood? Sam,
Yes, yeah.
yeah. Turn on the camera, everyone. Sam, where is your camera? It's not working. Yeah, now also.
I wanna miss it.
Hmm? Okay, now it's
Can you
working.
do
Working. Yeah.
Sure.
Yes.
Like I read somewhere, I don't remember where, that we can't put variables in the denominator. Is that working for something else? Like polynomial or something like that I read in the textbook.
Put variable in denominator.
Yeah.
Why? Where you read?
1 minute, I'll find it in the textbook.
Yeah, tell me. We can't put irrational number in the denominator, that I know.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, if we can't add or subtract unlike term, we need to factorize it.
if it is possible. If it is not possible, then we can't do anything because right now x square is there, so you can take out common x. Okay, that's why you can do the factorization. But if it is some of the question it will come in 10th, that is like not factorizable. Okay, you can't factor them. Okay, that you will let them remain like that only. You can't solve it.
Yeah, sir,
Yes.
I found it. An algebraic expression in which variables do not occur in the denominator, exponents of variable are whole numbers, and numerical coefficients of the various terms are real numbers, is called a polynomial.
Let me search.
It's in the textbook only, page number 79, lesson 3.
We- Okay. Okay, so the reason might be not in the variable as the denominator as zero. Sorry, as the variable in the zero, because as I told you, variable doesn't have fixed value. Okay, if variable comes as zero, okay, then it like there will no fact, no number will be there because it's undefined, non-defined. Okay, so that's why they are saying that variable shouldn't be in denominator because it doesn't have any fixed value.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so whatever the equation which you will form, it will come basically if you will solve some quality equation, yeah. So you will get some variable in the denominator also for making the equation, but you have to solve it so that if zeros come, then that there will be no equation, no number will be there. So that's why they are saying.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone done with the writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, what? One thing. Okay. Okay. Now we will understand a new topic called as degree of polynomial. Okay, degree of polynomial. See guys, degree of polynomial is basically the maximum power of a polynomial. Okay, degree of polynomial is nothing else. It's the maximum power of a polynomial. How it works, we'll check it out. See, for example, if I will write an equation 2x squared minus 9xy plus 7xy z. Okay, now this is a algebraic expression. Yes. So degree of polynomial is the maximum,
Degree in a term.
yeah, maximum power or a degree in a term. For example, of variable. So for example, if I will talk about this term, so the variable has maximum power as
2.
2. Yes. In this term, Ira, what is the maximum power of variable?
X, Y, like together.
Yeah, together. So x has 1 and y also has 1. So total will become
2.
yes 2. Now, Joshua, what is the maximum power of in this term? Y3, x1, y1, z1. So it becomes. So now for the whole equation, what is the maximum power? 3.
3.
The degree of polynomial of the equation will be 3 because of the maximum power. Understood? Yes or no? Jashran, did you understand, beta? Okay, so now Betya will give me the answer of this. 2x squared yz plus 9xy plus 7x squared y3z. So what is the degree of polynomial of this? Betya, give me the answer.
Four.
First tell me each term. Degree. So what is this?
4.
Yeah, this.
2.
Yeah, this.
6.
So what is the maximum degree?
12.
No, maximum.
6.
Yeah, so the degree of polynomial will be 6. Okay, the maximum is basically the degree of polynomial. So maximum I'm getting 6, so it will be 6. Okay, understood everyone? Did you understand? Okay, so yeah,
Go back.
yep.
Should we write it down, sir?
It is possible. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in this only I will tell you, listen first, okay, then I will give you time. Now there are basically three types of degree of polynomials are there. Okay. First, if the maximum power or the degree of polynomial of the equation is 1. Second, if degree of polynomial or the maximum power is 2. Third, if DOP or degree of polynomial is 3. Thank you. Okay, so if DOP is 1, which is degree of polynomial is 1, it's called as linear equation. What equation, beta?
Linear equation.
Linear equation. So for example, x plus y is equals to 9. So this is maximum power as 1. This is also maximum power as 1. So the total maximum power is 1. Okay, so the maximum power is 1. The maximum power is 1. So the total maximum power is 1. So it's called as linear equation. Guys, did you understand? No. I didn't understand?
Yes.
Understood.
Yes. Sam, Joshua, understood everyone? Okay. Now if I will write x square minus y is equals to, or we can say x square minus y minus 7. So what is the maximum power of this?
2.
2. What is the maximum power of this?
1.
1. Okay, so the total maximum power of the polynomial is 2. So this equation is called as quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. If DOP is 2. Okay, if DOP is 3, for example, 2xyz plus 7. So it's called as cubic equation. So for example, 2xyz plus 7. So maximum power is 3. How? X, Y, Z. 1 plus 1 is 3. So the maximum power of the equation is 3. So it is called as DOP as 3. It's called as cubic equation. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have you understood? Okay.
Now we must write it down, right, sir?
Yeah, now you can write it. Now you have a lot of time. Jashwan, did you understand? If you didn't understand, then tell me. So still we didn't start the chapter. This is the
Sir,
basic quadratic, the chapter which we will start. Yeah,
if
Simeon.
it's quadratic equation, shouldn't it be power of 4?
No. Quad means two. That's why we never use
I thought
quadrant.
quad means 4.
No. Quad. That's why there is the confusion. Na? It creates confusion. That's why we after three terms we consider it as polynomial because there is also quadrinomial is there. And for the four, if the power is four, it's called as quadratic. Okay, listen. Quadratic is there and quartic is there. So if the power is four, it's called as quartic. Quartic polynomial. Okay. So there's a confusion. Quartic, yeah. Thank you. Huh? Now you guys have 5 minutes and then we'll start our class, science class. So at 10:53 we will start our class. So till then, if you want to go, till then by a begin. If you complete, okay? No need to first write it down and then
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
bye.
equation is x plus y equals 9 or just x plus y?
X plus Y equals 9 because an equation, it has to have an LHS and an RHS.
Okay. So now we'll start our class. Everyone come back. No, it's for Jehovah. The chap the worksheet which I send in the group, na, it's for Jehovah. Okay, Jehovah, are you there? Okay, the worksheet which I sent because you did this chapter, na. So that's why the worksheet which I sent, it's yours. You have to do it. Okay. Okay, so we'll start our chapter, science chapter. Just give me a second. Okay. Now we will understand SI prefix. Okay. SI prefix. Okay. So we'll understand this. Just give me a second. The SI prefix. Okay. Now listen, guys. Okay. So SI prefix is basically nothing else. Okay. It's basically writing the number in the multiple of 10. Okay. Writing the number in the multiple of 10. Okay.
10, power of 10.
Power of 10. Yeah. So basically power of 10. So like if I will write that my house and Simeon house is this much kilometer. So instead of writing this thing again and again, so how much distance is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it means that I can write it like this 10 to the power 14. So instead of writing 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and making like this, then you can write it like this. Understood, guys? Yes
Sir,
or no? Yes.
but the highest degree is 14.
Yes. The highest degree is 14. Okay. So this is all used to do the measure or to instead of writing whole number, we are writing in the power of 10. Okay. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So can you read this, Ira?
You can see from the example given above that when the physical quantity being measured in either too large or too small has conquered to the standard unit, then the value of the physical quantity is quite inconvenient to express. The number given above can be simplified by using what is called scientific notation of numbers. In this notation system, we represent the numbers as powers of 10. In this notation system, we can rewrite the above examples as a mass of Earth 5.97 into 1024 kg.
You have to read it like this 10 to the power of 24.
10 to the power of 24 kg. Radius of the sun 6.96 into 10 to the power of 8 meters. Approximate distance between Mumbai and Delhi 1.4 into the power into 10 into 10 to the power of 6 meters. Radius of a hydrogen atom 5 into 10 into the power of 11 meters. Mass of an electron
But minus 11, let's say. 10 to
minus
the power 11. Yeah.
mass of an electron m 9.11 into 10 into the power of 31 negative 31 kgs.
See guys, this is very important. Listen, guys. For example, if I will write a number like this, listen now. If I will write 0.00000012, okay, so it's a math concept also. Like, how will you remove this decimal point? So if you will remove the decimal point, so after how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can write like this in the denominator with the 8 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it means that this number can be written as 1, 2 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Understood? So now basically, can I write it like this? 12 upon 10 to the power 8 because 8 zeros are there. Understood? Yes or not? Okay. And if I will send this number with the power positive, when it will go to the numerator, it will become negative power like this 12 into 10 to the power minus 8. Why minus 8 came? Because it's in the denominator. Basically, the real position is in denominator. But now I'm sending to the numerator. So the power, positive power will become negative power. Did you understand, Ira? No, you didn't understand anything.
Sort of understood.
Yeah, again, I will tell it to you. Again, I will tell it to you. Okay, so we'll take another example also. Like, for example, 0.3, yeah, 0.034. It is even like this. So, now, like, if I will remove the points, so in the denominator, what number will come?
Denominator there'll be 3 zeros, 1000.
Yeah, 1 going 1000.
Yeah, 1000.
Yes, so can I get it like this? 34 upon 1000.
Yeah,
Now, 34 upon 1000 can be written as 34 into 10 to the power 3 because 3 zeros are there, so that's why I make the power 3.
okay.
Okay. Now, when this 10 to the power 3 will go in numerator, na? So the positive power will become negative power. So how it will become? 34
So
into 10 to
10
the
to the
power
power of minus
minus
Okay.
3.
Okay.
Jahovan, understood beta? Joshua, turn on the camera. Sam, turn on the camera. Understood beta? Any problem? Ask me. Bitya.
No
No?
problem.
Jishron, any problem? Ask me, please. Okay, so minus power. Why it coming as minus power? Because this is basically in the denominator. So the answer is basically 0.00000 something is there. So it's very small value. If the power is in plus, like if I will write 3 to the power of minus 3 and 3 to the power of plus 3. So which is greater?
plus 3.
Plus 3 one. This one is greater. Why? Because minus 3 denotes that the answer will be in decimal 0.003. And
Minus,
plus 3,
minus 3 means that you have to keep 3 by 1000 because it is in the denominator.
and when you will solve 3 by 1000, it will become 0.003.
That is only 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3.
Yes. And if we will solve this, it will become 3000. So it obviously 0.0003 is smaller than 3000. Understood, guys? No, you didn't understand things.
I understood.
Understood. Very good. Ira, what you didn't understand? Please ask me.
I understood. So if it's like it needs to become a lower power.
Yeah, lower power. The minus denotes that the power is lower. It's in decimal.
Yeah.
Sam, did you understand, beta? So I'll give you one question. Write down this question. Very good. I'll give you one question. Joshua, turn on your camera, please. So if I will write two, now write it in the scientific notation. Scientific notation is basically nothing else but writing in the power of 10. Okay? Understood? No. Yeah? Now write it down. Do this question quickly. And I will ask one by one, then you give me the answer. Okay? The student which I will ask, that will only allow to give me the answer. Okay, done everyone?
Yes, done.
Okay, good. Everyone, Sam, done?
No, sir, I'm not.
Okay, quickly do it. We'll wait, we'll wait. Done, Joshua? Joshua, tell me the answer first. Okay, doing it. Quickly do it. Johan, done? Tell me the answer first, Johan.
2 into 10 raised to the power 8.
2 into 10 to the power 8. So everyone got the same answer?
I got 2 raised to the power 10, 9. 9.
Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is there, no? 9 zeros are there, so 9 will be there. Johan, okay? Did you understand, Johan?
Yes, sir.
If I will count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 zeros are there, so that's why 10 to the power 9. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Jashron, you done? Second question? No? But yeah, second done?
I finished all 5, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Edric, tell me the answer of second.
Second one is 6.25 into 10 to the power 8.
Yeah, listen, guys, this is little bit tricky, okay? Everyone, please listen first and then write it down, okay? Now, basically, every time when you are writing in the scientific notation, if like three numbers are there, five numbers are there, every time the decimal number will come after first digit. Okay, for example, in this question, the decimal number will come at here. So if decimal number is come here, so whatever the number are there after this, we will write in the power of 10. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will become 6.25 into 10 to the power 8. Understood, guys? Every time after first number, the decimal number will come, and after decimal number, every number will count as a power of 10. It's not only zeros, but whatever the number is there, it will come in the power of 10. Understood? Jashron, Jehoan, Joshua. Okay, Betty, next answer, please, quickly.
I'm doing the third one, sorry.
Okay, Joshua, third answer, please, quickly.
So, I didn't get the third.
You didn't get it?
Is it
Sam,
like the decimal?
sorry,
Is it like the decimal? Like,
say loudly.
sir, can you?
It's too low. Yeah, say it again. I'm listening.
Can
Yeah,
you?
say it again. Yes, yes,
Is it
I
like
can
the
hear you.
decimal? The third.
Yeah, same decimal because if more than two or three digits are there, then it will come in decimal. And after point, like first digit, the point will come, the decimal point will come, and then you have to count every number as a power of 10. So Jehovan will give me the answer. Someone please give me the answer, please.
2.957 10 to the power 8.
2.957 into 10 to the power 8.
I got 10 to the power 11.
Okay, we'll check it out. See, Jehovan, the problem is after first digit, the point will come, and each number will consider as a 10 to the power of that. For example,
Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it will come 10 to the power 11. Every number will considered as a power of 10. Understood? No. Okay. Now, Ira will give me the answer. Ira, fourth one, please.
4.25 into 10 into the power of -7, like 10 to the power of
Okay. Is it correct, Edric? No.
I got 425 into 10 to the power of -7.
yeah, the same thing.
4.25. No, Edric.
But it should be 425. Because if it is 4.25, the decimal point will move left. That means
Yeah.
4.25 means it will become 10 to the power of -5, not -7.
Yeah. Let me check. Let me check. Okay. So as I told you, if three numbers are there, we will consider as this as a decimal point. Okay. So now what is the number before this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there. Everyone please pay attention. Again, I'm saying we will consider if three numbers are there, so we'll consider point here between 4 and 2. So before that, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will become 10 to the power -5.
Sir,
So yes,
but if you count, but if you have 5 decimal point after the 5, it will become 425 into 10 to the power of -7.
7. This is correct. But as I told you, in numbers of more than two or three, like 4 to 5 is three digits, no? So we will consider only one digit and we have to write the point after that. So it becomes 4.25. Will not take 425. Okay. It is correct. But according to scientific notation rules, it's incorrect. Okay, the thing is, the logic is correct. Whatever you're saying, it's correct. But according to scientific notation rules, you have to write point after the first digit. Understood, everyone? Okay, Jashron will give me the next last answer, please, Jashron. Yeah.
We didn't get that one.
Everything you got previous that before?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can simply write it down like this. There is no point of writing anything else.
I wrote 702512 into 10 to the power of -5.
Yeah, that is correct. But as I told you, like after point, only one digit we need. So we can't solve it. If you will remove the decimals and then thousand will come, so it will become whole number. I need only one decimal digit. So you can't solve this, and you have to write it like this only. Everyone understood this thing? Betya, turn your camera. Don't turn off your camera, please. Sam, did you understand?
Yes.
There was a call, sorry.
Yeah. Yes, Joshua.
So I still didn't understand the third question. There's
Fourth of
only
grade.
8 zeros, right? So
Yeah,
how can
let me check. I'll tell you. We'll make it understand again. So, for example, if it is written 0.0000425. Okay, this is the question.
the
Okay,
third one?
third one. You want third one? Fourth one. Okay, I'll put fourth one. The fourth one is 2957 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the question. Yes or no? Now listen. Now listen, Joshua. Now I told you while writing the scientific notation, we need point after one digit. Okay. So now first digit is 2, then we need a point here. Yes. So if we need a point here, so after like after the point, every number, I don't care it's 0, is it 2, is it 5, is it 7, I didn't care. Every number will consider after point, every consider will consider as the power of 10. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it will be written as like this: 2.957, which is a number, into 10 to the power 11.
Sir,
Every Yes,
but what if it is 0.000000002?
yeah. So that, because it's a single digit, na, so we will not write decimal. If it is more than single digit, then we will write decimal. So what you're saying, I like the question. Tell me the question again.
0.00000.
How many zero? Five?
9.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and
2.
then 2. Yes? Okay. So I told you that after, like, this is the normal. How many numbers are there? After point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will become 2
2.
into 10 to the
And
power
power
minus 10. If I will write 25 here, if I will change it and if I will write 25, okay. So what will become? It will be change. Okay. So how it
25
will
into 10 to the power of -11.
Yeah, but I told you the point will come between 2 and 5 then because two numbers are there. Understood, Ira? Joshua. Okay. So now how many numbers, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will become 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 10. This is the value. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is how scientific notation works. So I will send you a worksheet in the group about the scientific notation. So try to do that worksheet. Okay. And this is some of the values are there. So we only know kilometer, na? After that, mega come, giga come, tera come, peta come, exa come, zeta come, and iota come.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, there are two more.
Then, what are two more?
Prana and Quetta.
My God. Great. And we know till milli. So before that, micro, nano, pico, femto, otto, zepto, yocto.
Ronto and Quecto.
Wow. Wow. That's great. Great knowledge. Okay. So this is no need to learn this, but just try to do it. Okay. So now this is your homework first. Write it down the homework. Okay, this is your homework.
Which one?
I marked in text question 1.4. And I'm giving you 3 minutes to read this. If you have any problem, just ask me. Read it by
1.4. The 1.4.
is your homework. In text question, 1.4 is your homework. And the notes which I marked, right? Just read it now. Okay. No need to unmute your mic and say. Just read it now. And if you have any problem, ask me. I will also read with you. Okay. So I hope you understood everything today's class. Yes, Ira? Any doubt? Okay. So we'll stop the class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata bye bye. Sayonara.
I don't get that. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.